Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to set iPhone to vibrate only for calls. Setting your iPhone to vibrate only for calls helps you stay alerted without disruptive sounds. This is useful in meetings, quiet environments, or when you prefer silent notifications. You can configure this through your device's sound and vibration settings, or sounds and vibration. To begin, open Settings. Tap the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to Sounds and Haptics. Choose Sounds and Haptics from the menu. Enable Haptics. Make sure it is set to Always Play option. Enable Play in Silent. Turn this on to allow vibration even in silent mode. Turn off ringtone volume. Drag the ringer and alert slider all the way down. Turn on silent mode. Use the side switch to enable silent mode. No orange equals off. Orange equals silent. Check vibration pattern. Tap ringtone, haptics to choose or customize a pattern. Disable text tone sounds. Go back and tap text tone. Then set it to none. Turn off other alert sounds. Disable sounds for mail, calendar, and reminders if needed. Test incoming call vibration. Ask someone to call you or use another phone to test. Check focus or do not disturb settings. Ensure they allow calls and vibrations. Restart your iPhone. Reboot to apply and confirm all settings work correctly. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.